Hi guys, this is Mark. In this video I will talk about the money data type available in Backendless Console. It is going to be a short video because money is very simple and basic. It is a shortcut for the decimal type that is pre-configured to express currency values. You could use decimal with the default configuration, which is precision 10 and scale 2, or you can use money, and in this case you do not need to provide precision and scale. They are pre-programmed. So it's very important to keep in mind that the money data type is there to provide a way to accept values. However, from the formatting perspective, whenever you display currency values, you may need to do some extra work, which is quite simple, but it still will require extra work. Let me demonstrate what I mean. So let's create a column with the money data type in the person table. I have it selected here, and let's call that column hourly rate. Data type is going to be money, and click create. So now if we go to data browser, and it's going to be the same way whether you use APIs or you enter data manually. So for instance, if the hourly rate, let's say, is 25.55, then yes, it's 25.55, and that's exactly how you would want to display it. Of course, when you display it, you may want to put the currency symbol, whether it's dollar, pounds, whatever. However, if let's say the hourly rate is 30.10, okay, well, you would expect that the actual value becomes 30.10. However, that trailing zero goes away, so it's 30.1, which is not desirable when you display these values in the UI. You would still want to display 30.10, and that's exactly what I mean, that some additional formatting may be required, and that formatting is done on the client side, because when you return that value from the API, the actual numeric value is 30.1. When it becomes 30.10 strictly in the UI perspective, and that's something to keep in mind. But besides that, when you work with the money data type, it is just a decimal with precision 10 and scale 2. That is it. In the videos dedicated to UI Builder, we are planning multiple. There's going to be one on the actual data formatting specifically for currencies, and that's where we're going to be discussing various ways that you can use logic to format your data any way you need to. But here, that's what we have. That's all I have for money. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy coding.